Here we have another example, that is formation of water molecule, lone pair effect of the oxygen atom. Now first thing, what is lone pair? So the pair of valence electron that is not shared with another atom. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन का वो पेयर जो कोई और एटम के साथ शेयर नहीं होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज लोन पेयर. Okay, so this is the formation of water molecule. Water, you know the formula of water molecule, that is H2O. It means two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So here is two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Now we know that in the valence shell of hydrogen one electron is present. So this is one electron, and of this hydrogen atom this is one electron. In the outermost shell of oxygen 6 electrons are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we know that to complete its duplet, hydrogen will take one electron from here, and this hydrogen will take one electron from here. Okay, so this is the diagram, electron dot diagram. Now see, for this hydrogen this is the pair of electron, for this is the pair of electron. Now these are 4 electron, 1 2 3 4. So 2 electron will make one pair. It means oxygen will have 2 pair of valence electron left, means these 2 pair are not involved in sharing. So these pair are known as the lone pair. You can understand this with the help of this orbit structure diagram. Now see, hydrogen, it have one valence electron, it also have one valence electron. Oxygen have 6 electron in the valence shell. So to complete the duplet, hydrogen will take one electron from here, this hydrogen will take one hydrogen from here. Okay, now see these electron, this one pair and this another pair, ये दोनों पेयर किसी भी शेयरिंग में इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, मीन्स ऑक्सीजन ने ये पेयर अपना डोनेट नहीं किया. इट मीन्स दैट पेयर इज़ लेफ्ट ओवर. सो इस पेयर को हम बोलेंगे लोन पेयर, जो किसी शेयरिंग में इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुआ है, मीन्स ऑक्सीजन ने ये डोनेट नहीं किया. ओके, एंड ऑक्सीजन विल कंप्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so these pairs are known as lone pair because oxygen has not donated these pair of electron in any sharing. So this is how hydrogen molecule